Hi everyone, good morning. Thank you for coming to this presentation and honored to meet you here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yogi Listiarga, Electrical Engineering, Saputra University. Today we are going to discuss about IoT, best application smartcom to monitor outfall parameters remotely and in real time. You know, steam power plant is a power plant that produces a very large amount of heat energy. Therefore, in a power plant must have a tool that serves as a cooling or commonly called cooling system. Cooling system can be sourced from several media. One of the media commonly used is seawater. However, the continued use of seawater as a media cooling system in this power plant can have a negative impact. If the cooling system output water has a hot temperature exceeding the provision, this will result in disruption of marine biota around the disposal of water output cooling system, or commonly called downstream canal. This problem has actually been anticipated since the beginning of the establishment of the power plant by making a long and winding canal line so the temperature of the water output cooling system can drop adjusting the seawater temperature. By the way, it's not equipped with the tool to monitor the water temperature downstream of the canal, as a compression with the temperature sensor in the condenser outlet. With this IoT, with this problem, Internet of Things or IoT based technology is designed. Okay, let's move on the next slide. Please look at the picture. You can see media and non-government agencies who are aggressively reporting on the quality standard of power plant was. Okay, you can see from the IECEL, and then green.co, business.com, validnews.co, and then Media Indonesia. In this slide, if the water output cooling system has a temperature that exceeds the provision of the standard quality of seawater that has been determined by the government in the decree of the Minister of Environment number 8, 2009. You can see this is a maximum right for temperature and chlorine and regulation of the Minister of State for the Environment number 51, 2004. It will result in description of marine biota around the dam and commonly called dumping canal or outfall. You can see permissible deviation is up to 2 Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius from the normal temperature. Next slide. What's the problem? The problem is was the water sampling has not been effective. Okay, you can see in this slide explain when the project is applied. Temperature sensor will be installed on the downstream of all downstream power plant. Channel will shares of node dam Q, and internet routers will be installed on the nearest security post. Downstream canal is a meeting point between the water output cooling system or output condenser with seawater. Smart home, Internet of Things, otherwise known as IoT. It is a concept that aims to expand the benefit of continuously connected internet connectivity. IoT is a technology that is being talked about a lot at the moment because there is a research that reveals that IoT-based technology will be a big thing in the future. Can be defined everything connected to the internet, include in the Internet of Things based technology. IoT can be used for things like capturing data from a place by using sensor as well as remote access to control other objects somewhere that are all connected to local and global network through embedded and always on sensor. Okay, this is a smartphone concept. This slide is a block chart that explains the working order of the tools created the data obtained by DS from the DS 18B 12 sensor will be received by nodem. You can see in the slide nodem Q by nodem Q and then sent to server computer. And then the data can be seen through the Android smartphone when the application that has been created is run by the user. And diagram internet connection is very important because the series apply Internet of Things technology where all components consisting of nodem Q, server computer, and Android smartphone are interconnected through the internet network. Smartcom view, the image below is the final result of the project from the installation of the circuit, the sensor installation and user interface display of the application that has been created on the Android smartphone. You can see cost benefit analysis. If the parameters on the outfall are installed using a regular control cable, will result in a cost is about 49 million. You can see it's about 49 million. And the cost to apply this IoT technology is only 2 million. So that we can save cost 48. It's about 48 million. If the parameter on the outfall are installed using this IoT technology, you can see. Benefit obtained when parameter on output installed using IoT compared to using a regular control cable. 23 times is is very expensive. Okay, non-financial benefit. Number one, was the water quality standard can be monitored continuously and in real time. Number two, as an early warning, if the parameter value is close to the quality standard value. Number three, contribute to the company commitment to protecting the environment according to government regulation. Number four, increase public confidence that power plant always contribute to preserving the surrounding environment. And number five, the company target was achieved, namely to the goal proper value or at least maintain the green property value. Okay, the main point of my presentation is number one, SmartCom application is classified as a simple application but very instrumental as a contribution of power plant in maintaining the surrounding environment. Number two, Internet of Things or IoT technology is very suitable to be applied and developed further in the environment of power plant, whose parameter monitoring conditions are often impaired when using ordinary control cable. Number three, if the parameter on the outfall are installed using a regular control cable, will result in a cost is about 49 million, and the cost to apply this IoT technology is about 1 or 2 million, so that we can save cost is about 48 million if the parameter on the outfall are installed using this IoT technology. Suggestion for this project. Number one, the operator and maintenance team must still carry out routine check on the downstream canal or outfall area to ensure the Wi-Fi router, ESP82 module circuit are installed sensor and in on normal condition. Number two, Internet of Things technology must continue to be developed are perfect to support equipment monitoring at power plant. Number three, update to the SmartCom application must continue to be carried out according to the need and suggestion of related user. That's all. Thank you.